This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions.
Hi, I'm Eric Grant with Sailrite, and if you're interested in purchasing the Sailrite Fabricator Sewing Machine, you may be slightly confused because there are two packages, the Standard and the Deluxe. In this short video, we're going to explain the differences.
The first difference, tabletops. The Standard package comes with a double laminated tabletop. The underside is laminated just like the top surface. This top is designed specifically for the Sailrite Fabricator Sewing Machine. The Deluxe package comes with a butcher block tabletop for the Sailrite Fabricator Sewing Machine, designed specifically for it as well. This tabletop has convenient cutouts to store bobbins, tools, needles, and screwdrivers. The second difference, table legs.
Now the Deluxe package also has an easy way to raise the tabletop. There's just one bolt and then there's a measuring guide here so that you can easily level it from one side to the other. One person can change the height easily on this machine, whereas with this one you have to release 4 bolts and it really takes 2 people to adjust the height of the Standard package. On the Standard package, there's no way to adjust the levelness of the feet, but on the Deluxe package, there's an adjustable screw here which can raise a foot to level it on your surface. On the Deluxe package, you can move the treadle by releasing these thumb screws and moving the bar fore and aft, and then you can use these holes on the side to make sure that it's even from side to side, and then tighten it back down where you would like it. Now to adjust the treadle on the Standard package, there's very little adjustment, maybe a 1/4 inch or an inch or so, and then you do have to get to both the nuts on the bottom side to make this adjustment, so it's a lot more cumbersome.
The final difference, LED lights.
The industrial flexible light comes with the Deluxe package, and it has an arm that allows you to place the light anywhere you'd like, really. And you can also remove the clamp here, or loosen the clamp I should say, and position it anywhere you think works best for your operation, whether it be in the front of the machine or behind the machine. And the brightness level of this light is very bright indeed. So you get a lot of illumination with this package. The Standard package has the Flex 20 LED light. It's a magnetic base that goes anywhere there's a metal surface on the sewing machine, so I usually position mine here. And it's a fairly bright light, but not nearly as bright as the industrial light on the Deluxe package. It does have a bendable arm, so you can position it where you like. So those are the differences between the Deluxe package and the Standard package. The heads, sewing machine heads, are exactly the same. So the differences are, again, the butcher block top compared to the double laminated top, the powder coated legs compared to the Standard industrial K legs, and the industrial flexible LED light compared to the Flex 20 LED light.
Check out the demo videos of the Sailrite Fabricator on the Sailrite website or the Sailrite YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.